Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows just because they're a little time consuming, and now I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Juvia's Place concealer in 16, and I'm gonna set it with my ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Now I'm taking a warm brown and putting that in my crease. I think I used the brown out of the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. So yeah, just putting that in my crease. That's my transition color. Now I'm going to use the Essence Welcome to Sin City eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to use that copper red shade and put that on my lids, as well as that light blue glitter shade. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Next, I'm using the Girlactik Precise Eyeliner Marker. Now I'm using the House of Lashes eyelash glue and the Ioni Volume Cluster Doll Lashes. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this all the places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again, just to set where I had the concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For my blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush Volume 4 palette, and I'm just going to take that top shade and use that. Next, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter, and I'm just going to take that middle shade for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and their lipstick in Vogue. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this soft glam makeup look that I did. The Essence eyeshadow palette was just a new palette that I picked up, and I wanted to try it. So it's a lot of like shimmers as well as glitters in that palette. I hope you all enjoyed this. I appreciate you all watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. So I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. Also, please like, share, and comment. I would love to hear from you all. And if you have any specific looks that you want to see, let me know. And I will do them, like eyeshadow looks. I definitely will do them. Anyway, I appreciate you all again for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.